Hello students. Today I will discuss about the slaughtering techniques of animal and slaughtering practices. Slaughtering practices and techniques. The human methods and conventional techniques of slaughter and traditional and ritualistic slaughters. African traditional slaughter techniques, Jewish method, Muslim method, and Jatka Sikh methods. Humane methods and conventional techniques. Complete state of unconsciousness, mechanical unconsciousness by mechanically, electrical, and chemical means. Stunning, painless, motionless, eliminating excitement and curiosity. Steps of the humane method. Stunning, make the unconscious spirit to the slaughter. Bleeding, vertical hanging position. Knife through the neck, behind the jaw bones, and below the first neck. Sever the blood vessels of the neck and let out the bleeding. Bleeding should be complete as possible. Steps of the human method. Skinning, removal of the skin from the body, eviscerating open animal body to dissolve and contents and produce the carcass. Okay, post-mortem inspection carried out by the professional veterinarian. Special measures stamped as inspected, passed, condemned. Human method, advanced, painless method, eliminating the excitement and possible cruelty. Disadvantage, dissolved by the ritual and established traditions. African tradition slaughter sheep or goat is first securely held on its back on the ground by 2 or 3 men, while the mouth is grabbed tight and drawn backwards to scratch the neck and slaughter, then cut the throat transversely with the series of the stroke halfway deep into the neck, and blood is allowed to drain off until the animal is motionless or dies. The head is then served off completely. Jewish method, formulated by the following the religious taboos, kosher meat right, fulfilling the requirement of Jewish law specified in the Talmud. Sochet, person appointment for the slaughter. Shomer, person appointment for the limbs and meat processing and seal. Jewish method advantage, no cruelty, respiratory activity, struggle, oxyhemoglobin, good color meat. Disadvantage, animal remain consciousness for the considerable time, no stunning in human many people, economic loss. Muslim method of the slaughter, halal meat method. Widespread laws are derived from the Quran. Welfare of the animal is a major consideration. Death, animal consumption of the blood and swine is forbidden. Halal method advantage, same as the Jewish, struggling and cardiac actions, efficient bleeding. Disadvantage, contaminated by the contents of the stomach, waste of the blood. Jatka and Sikh methods, instant decapitation process. Sikh Hindus in the Indian follows this method, limited to only sheep and goat, by only one below head is separated. Jatka method advantage, easy and quick method. Disadvantage, imperfect bleeding. Processing includes skinning, evisceration, splitting, washing, dressing of the carcass, and refrigeration. Thank you.